more than enough. Okay, I'm gonna try to hand roll it. Just gotta defrost a little more. Okay, don't worry, yours I pulled out, so this is ready to do. Alright, so this is pretty good. We're gonna just roll it out, but you see I don't have too much flour. Okay, if you need a little more flour, just sprinkle lightly. Okay, I don't see piles of flour. And it's nice to try to open it by hand, but if you can't, just use a rolling pin. You just go from the middle out. Try not to degas it too much. Okay. The best way to do is just try to like a regular pizza. Okay. Okay. I'm going to take this over to my pan and use some neutral oil. Okay. So put that there. I'm going to use our neutral oil. Okay. I'll put about a 1/4 inch. Just like with the pancakes, move your pan on and off the heat. On and off the heat. Okay. I don't want to see no smoking or burning, please. Alright, so my oil is shimmering, it's very nice. I have my paper towel here to drain. Okay, use the white paper towel, and I have my other stuff here. Okay, so we're just going to I'm going to lay it away from this, okay? Just do a final stretch. Okay. Away from it, okay? Careful, okay? Maybe about 2-3 minutes on each side, okay? And then pick up some oil. Careful, don't scratch the bottom. And that's kind of what we're looking for. You see how it's all poofy underneath? That's pretty much what we want. Okay, so let's let it drip off a little bit, and we'll put it right here on our sizzle platter that has the paper towel. Okay, now we're gonna garnish this with one of my favorite ways. Okay, so one of my favorite ways is like a very ancient way. You see I have this dab up here. Okay, I'm gonna put it down here. Very nice, fluffy, see? Very nice. Let's put it down here on the plate. So I'm gonna put some sheen Parmesan cheese, okay? Along here. And I'm gonna hit this with a torch. Just very evenly. Okay. A little bit of our garlic and chili confit, okay, and some of the oil and the actual cloves of garlic. If you don't like the garlic, you don't have to make this one at all. This is just how I like it myself. Okay, a little bit of sea salt. Nice flake Parmesan sea salt, so that this is actual. Okay, some fresh green mauve raw picante, black pepper. Okay. All right, and what else? Some fresh rosemary. Okay, really hits us nice. Just tear the pieces or mince it if you want a little bit. Okay. Again, this isn't how I like it, just a suggestion. Next one is the Nutella and strawberry, okay? Right now I'm going to just hit it with my torch, using just a little bit more cheese. Okay. I'm going to torch the last time. Pretty good, okay? Just going to finish it with a little bit of honey, okay? This really goes good with the salty, very nice, very ancient Romanesque here. So we got going on. Parsley, some color. Okay. Make a little bit of base color. That nice natural green color, right? And this is a nice pizza fritta. Okay, you do it many different ways. You can use the same dough that we ate on calzone. You can add some mortadella. We got super salad basico in the house. Okay, which we'll see how nice and airy it is on the inside. Okay, with steamy pockets. Okay, very good. All right, so enjoy this project. Have fun.